and welcome to Sleep Like a Boss Business. My name is Christine Hansen, and I'm the founder and CEO of Sleep Like a Boss. We are a team of myself and 6 team members working globally on helping insomniacs and a high-end bespoke clinical service. And personally, I'm also a business mentor for online entrepreneurs in the health and personal development space to make money and have a great business, to work as less as possible or the least possible with the most income. And who doesn't want that? Now, to get started, I have a lot of clients who have the issue that in the beginning they don't have testimonials, and even once they start working with people, because they work on very specific topics, which could be, bowel issues, digestive issues, which is linked to a lot of farting, for example, or libido issues, that clients don't necessarily want to testify because they don't necessarily want everyone to know that they've been working on this. Or I charge a nice amount of money for my service, and not everyone wants everyone else to know that they spent that kind of money on their sleep. So here's the shortcut that I took in order to get instant credibility and in order to replace my first testimonials, because it took some time to get some in. And that is the media. In order to propel your business into the next orbit and to get credibility as quickly as possible, media is going to be your priority. It will, going to a website, looking at those logos of Forbes, National Geographic, The Guardian, The Independent, podcasts like Entrepreneur on Fire or So Money by Farnoosh Torabi. It's been one of the best podcasts in Yahoo Finance and so forth. That is street cred. That is what people know. That's what they trust. Now, how do you get that? There's different ways of doing this, but what I want you to understand is that it doesn't take long. It only takes you a few months of commitment. For me personally, I spent 3 months really focusing on publicity, which basically means 2 days a week, where I was pitching blog posts, where I was pitching online magazines like Mind Body Green or Huffington Post at the time, or I don't even know what else. I was pitching Reader's Digest. I was in Brides Magazine. All of those things happened very, very quickly. I was pitching podcasts with bespoke, personalized pitches, and it helped me so much. It really, really opened up a whole new world, because very quickly people found me. Google loved me because those sites would then link back to sleeplikeaboss.com. And so journalists looking for sleep experts would find me a lot quicker. And so after a few months, journalists would come and contact me, which is still what's happening now. I don't pitch anymore. I have people come to me to ask for a quote for my expertise. So it doesn't take too long, it doesn't take too much effort, but it is an amazing return on investment. Now, I learned all my stuff from the amazing Selena Soo with her program Impacting Millions. It's only opening once a month right now. In March is launch time. If you're listening right now, it's March 2020. If not, at a later date, you can still go over to her website and sign up for whenever she's launching again. And she does offer a publicity checklist for free. So I will add the link to this episode where you can click on, or which you can go to and download the checklist from. And I would highly recommend you do this. So the order of things that I found the most interesting actually is podcasts. Funnily enough, in Google, being referenced to from a podcast has ranked higher than from blogs or newspaper outlets. And don't ask me why, I'm not sure. Podcasts is a weird world to me. I don't understand the analytics, but it might give you an idea of where to get started. So what I would do is I would go and see which kind of podcast has an audience that your expertise benefits the most from. And that's how you pitch it. You want to take the work away for the podcast host, which means you want the host to have you as a guest so that your audience can be wowed by his connections and by your knowledge. So you will carry the heavy lifting. That's how you pitch. Listen to those podcasts, listen to a couple of episodes, write the pitch and reference to specific moments in past episodes that you enjoyed, and then say, here are 3 things that I think your audience would really enjoy. What do you think? I'd love to work with you. Here is a scheduling link, or just email me back if that's something you want to investigate further. Something like that. And I customize the pitches with my mentees that I work with. But that's how I would get started. If you have more questions about PR, download the checklist and get in touch with me. I'll talk to you soon.